Rahim. My name is Taimur Malik and I'm from Consett University, Islamabad, WA campus. My group partner name is Mohammad Ali, and today I will discuss about my FYP project, that is the Peltier based electric heater and supervised by Dr. Mohammad Zoruddin. Main objective of our FYP project is the basic concept which is merged out from our project is to handle the Peltier module at certain temperature. Basically, we use the Peltier sensor which has the two sides. One is used for the colder purpose, another is used for the hotter purpose. And the other is we want to automate all the things to run smoothly just by sitting in. We change the temperature. As we see that day by day the competition is getting tough in the market, so this is the main feature of our product, is that the customer can easily change the temperature of the room or any cabin or space by just sitting in the place by one touch of the finger. Basically, we also use app to change the temperature, which is controlled by the Android mobile app. And the main features of our FYP project is user can control temperature through Android mobile app. It consumes low power. It requires 12 volt 36 ampere AC or DC, and it also runs on solar panel. Basically, it depends upon your requirement. The project that we made by ourselves, that it requires 12 volt and 36 ampere is and it is sufficient for the small medium size of the cabin or room, especially in the train or aeroplanes, etc. And set your third point is set your desired temperature up to -43 to 60 degree Celsius. Display the temperature and on your mobile screen app. Main components: Peltier based electric heater electronic part. It contains Peltier module, sensor, relays, battery, LCD, mechanical parts, heatsink, fan, cooling system, extra, and wirings and many other things. The main impact of our product in the on the economy is that, as I discussed, that basically the size of this Peltier sensor electric heater is sufficient for the small medium size of the cabin, rooms, hotels, tool plazas, trains, aeroplanes, etc. And the cost of our product is around about $70 to $75, which is more sufficient as compared to the other products in the market, especially in the foreign countries, in the Europe sides, for example Canada, America, Australia, and many other cold countries where the temperature is in the negative in all the year, in all the days of the year. Basically, we export our product to the colder countries where temperature is in the negative Celsius, and this will help this helps our economy to grow up, economy of our country to grow up. Main methodology of our project is to make heaters using Peltier module is basically first power goes to the relays, two relays connected in this circuit, which is used for the on and off automation, which is basically used for the automation of the project, which throws the signal, which catches the signal through the outside temperature sensor, which sends the temperature. When the temperature goes to the ideal temperature of the customer, then it automatically switch off the power of the heater, and it saves your electricity, and then we use the Buck LM2596 for the voltage divider. Basically, it is a step down regulator. Basically, and as we require 3.6 volt because we use Wi-Fi module ESP8266 8266 which requires 3.6 volt, so we use the LM2596 to step down the voltage, and then throws the 3.6 volt to the ESP8266 for, and which is used for controlling for the controlling purposes, controlling Android mobile app by the help of the coding on the Java. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our FIP project, Peltier sensor electric heater. So first we will power the two relays that are that we see. These two relays basically used for the automation on and off of the Peltier sensor, and through this is a outside sensor temperature that sense the temperatures and flows the data to the relays, and through using the Java coding we can send the data to the relays, and relays then switch on and off, and then switch on and off the Peltier sensor with the help of the data of the temperature sensor. Then this is our Buck LM2596, that is basically the step down regulator which is used for the step down the voltage, because we use the ESP86 ESP8266. So this is a Wi-Fi module which basically requires only 3.6 volt. So then we connect it through the any Android mobile app, Android app mobile, through this Wi-Fi module, and you can easily set the temperature through the mobile by choosing any temperature of the room or any cabin or space in hotel, or in hotel room or shapes or two plazas cabin. So then the these are the four fans which is connected in the series, and these 6 Peltier sensors which is connected parallel to each other, and each Peltier sensor get 3.5 ampere and 1 ampere or 2 ampere. Basically there are the 4 fans, 2 operated on the 1 ampere and another 2 are operated on 2 ampere. So